wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Do you know what today is? Today is a special day. For all the kids out there who started watching us from the very first day, today is Noah and Olivia's birthday. And for that, we're going to see what they have planned. First off, our Dream Again song. Do you remember it? Do you like it? This is how it all started.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
From east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay! Woo!
Kids, did you ever wonder what that song is that you always hear before each of our episodes starts?
Yeah, the one that goes, wake up,
And dream again.
get
It's
up,
a song-
get up. Yeah, that one.
It's a song that we actually wrote just for you.
Yeah, we thought it was so fun, and we were so excited to have you guys come and visit us all the time that we thought it'd be nice to sing, to say hello.
Yeah, and we thought that we would do a sing-along version of this so you can, we can teach you and you can learn to sing it.
Yeah, we thought that would be really fun. Do you guys want to sing it with us?
Yeah, and because Olivia loves to sing and I love to make music, we figured from now on out, we're going to do a lot of other sing-along songs too.
Yeah, we're going to do so many fun sing-along songs for you guys. We're going to have ones about cows and ones about
Mice.
stars.
Mice.
And spiders.
Don't scare me that way.
Sorry.
But then we're also going to have songs about miracles and even about us, Noah and Olivia.
Yeah, and all sorts of things, really. We're going to have so many songs. Some songs will help teach you to count, and some songs are just for fun. And
Exactly.
yeah, sometimes you can sing them over and over again.
Yep.
All sorts.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to write some songs, and we're going to recreate songs, and we're going to
Sing some classics that you guys know.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's so much.
Yep. So we figured the first one we really wanted to teach you is the one that we wrote.
Yeah, we wanted to sing you guys our song first because we just thought you guys might know it a little bit already, and if not, it'd be fun to learn it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's called our Dream Again song.
Yep. Lovely. Dream again.
Dream again.
Perfect.
Because we love to dream again and again and again.
Yep. Over and over and over and over and over and over.
Over and over and over.
So in case you don't know, it starts out wake up and dream again.
Yep. Okay, so should we try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Da, 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 da. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2,
3.
3.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
That's my favorite line.
We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, we are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, but it's true, right? We are dreamers and we love to dream.
Yeah, that's why it's my favorite line. It's because it's totally true.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Is that your favorite line too?
Ooh, yeah. If not, what is your favorite line? I would love to know.
Yeah, we both want to know.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love that song. It's a catchy song, isn't it? Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Do you know what a catchy song is? That means once you start singing it, that tune kind of stays in your head, and you might be cleaning your room, but you're humming that song to lift your spirits. Now, kids, I know I'm fairly new to the Dream Again world. There are things I don't know about Noah and Olivia, but maybe you do. why don't we take the Noah and Olivia quiz?
Today, we're going to play the question and answer game.
Question answer game, yay!
So we're going to each ask a question, and then I have to guess the answer for Olivia, and Olivia has to guess my answer.
Yep, and you guys guess the answer for both of us.
Exactly.
Yay!
So the first question is, what is our favorite color? Okay, done.
Can I hold it up now?
Yep. So, you go first.
Blue!
Yay, that is correct.
Yay, got it!
And Olivia's favorite color is red.
Yay!
So my next question is,
Mm-hmm.
oh, I'm gonna make it hard for Olivia. How about favorite flower?
Oh, I think I know.
Okay, I'm done.
Hold on, yours is long. Okay, you want me to go first?
Yeah, you should go first.
Okay, I think it's a snapdragon! Snap, 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 snap.
No,
What?
my favorite flower is a rose. You didn't think I was
Oh.
romantic, did you?
No, I didn't know. You're very romantic.
I
Ooh.
love a rose.
And roses smell really nice,
They
huh?
do.
Yeah, roses
Okay,
smell delicious.
so for you, I wrote down Daisy!
Daisy! Yeah, that's right. That's a
Okay.
Daisy. That's me. Ooh, I have a good one.
Here's a...
I have a good one. What's your favorite movie?
Oh!
Yeah.
It could be Beauty and the Beast for Olivia, or it could be oh no! I know which one it is. Are
Okay.
you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So your favorite movie is Frozen.
No.
What?
Nope, the Lion King.
Last time you said that was your favorite movie.
Yeah, but now it's the Lion King.
Oh,
Yeah, that one's better now. Yeah. Guess what yours is? Yours is Aladdin! Yay!
No, it's not.
Prince Ali, fabulous he. What?
No.
But,
That's my second favorite movie.
oh,
My
no.
favorite movie are all the Toy Story movies.
What's the question?
Okay, so the next question is favorite food.
Ooh, favorite food.
I know that answer for you.
I think I know it for you too. Okay, I got it. You want to go first?
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay, you go first.
So, mine is for you.
Yeah.
You love pizza!
I love ice cream.
Oh.
I also love pizza, but I love ice cream more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And for you though,
Yeah.
you love pasta.
Oh, no, you are correct!
Yeah, I got it. Awesome.
You got it.
Yay, good job.
So, second to last question.
Hold on, I'm erasing it real good.
Okay, erased really good. So, now it's my
Okay.
turn again.
Yep, your turn.
Favorite holiday?
Ooh. I think we have the same. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, you want to go first?
Your favorite holiday is Christmas!
Nope.
It's not?
Oh.
I thought yours...
Uh-oh. I thought ours were the same, so maybe I'm wrong then.
Oh.
I put Halloween.
No. I love Thanksgiving!
Oh, and I
That's
love
mine.
Halloween.
Oh, and you love Halloween?
Yeah, because I get to play dress up and go outside and do trick-or-treating. I like that. That's fun.
Huh.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can be a princess or a pumpkin. That's fun.
So, last question?
Last question.
Okay.
What is your favorite book? I think I know.
Oh, I think I know too. I'm ready now too.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yours is Billy Goat Gruff.
Yes, it is. Yeah, and yours is on the moon.
Exactly, because I hope one day I'll be an astronaut and I want to go on the moon.
Yeah, you'll go on the moon, and I will ride a goat and meet a troll.
That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool. Wow.
Well, that was pretty fun.
This was really, really fun.
I got to know you better and you got to know me better too.
Yeah, I got to know you a lot better.
Kids, did you get all the answers correct? The funny thing is that even Noah and Olivia didn't know all the right answers. Well, let me try myself. What's my favorite color? It's green! Exactly! Next question. What's my favorite animal? Oh. Do you know? It's an elephant. I love elephants. And my favorite flower? A tulip. And my favorite movie? Frozen. Definitely Frozen. Favorite food? Oh, a burger. Well, that kind of made me hungry now. Kids, that's it for today. Happy birthday to Noah and Olivia, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us. Thanks!